All right, so we want to install fonts in our Paint.net application. Paint.net is a excellent little free imaging program that I use to edit images for my website, and I have a font I want to use inside of it called Roboto Condensed, and currently there's no option for that when I click on the fonts up here. So how do you install it? Well, Paint.net actually uses the fonts from Windows. So what you can do, I'm going to click on the Start button, and then I'm going to start typing fonts, and it gives a selection for the fonts control panel. So this will bring up all the fonts installed in Windows, and what you can do, you can just simply drag and drop the fonts over to this folder, and it'll install them in Windows, and then they'll be available in Paint.net. So I'm going to open this file. It's got several different versions of the TrueType font, Roboto Condensed. I'm going to put those on my desktop, get them out of the zip file. So now they're unzipped on my desktop, where I can hold down Control to select them all and then drag them over. And it says it's installing them. All right. So we're going to have to close out of Paint.net, and then we'll launch it again. And we'll start typing some text and see if Roboto Condensed is an option. And there it is, Roboto Condensed. And it works. So that's how you do it. That's how you install fonts in Windows to make them available in Paint.net. For more WordPress or website building related content, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Or visit wpwebworkshop.com.